Morning. Today I am going to show you how to make tuck sheet for morning shift. This is the format. You can see here insert hotel logo here. You can put your hotel logo here, and this one is housekeeping attendant daily assignment sheet. Just mention like this, and first put trolley number, vehicle number, floor site, which for any location when you are doing work, name of the staff, occupancy, arrival, departure, total rooms, total occupant, total stay over this, and date. You can here should be need to mention the room number, your room number, and status, room status, time in what time they enter the room, time out, what time you place in the room, and you should try to put time after status. This bed linen changes, and bed sheet, this one king bed sheet, queen bed sheet, and bed sheet twin. You can see here all bed sheet of handicap rooms, pillowcase, pillowcase small, pillow protector, bath, mattress protector, duvet cover king, duvet cover twin, bath towel. This you should have mentioned here bath linen changes, bath towel, hand towel, base towel, bath mat, bathrobe, tissue box, water bottles, bath gel, shampoo, conditioner, shower cap, vanity kit, sanitary kit, toilet roll. Any remark you can make here. And after duty, if you have time, staff have time, they should try to do any extra work. You should mention here the extra work, and any corridor, pantry, any location you can give them for extra work. Time, start time, finishing time, supervisor remark, you can put how they did their work and anything, any issue you can, and supervisor signature. You can put here supervisor signature. Easily you can make in this format. Any confused, just comment me. I will reply. Thank you for watching my video.